What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Sony C300 Bluetooth headphones. Alrighty, so to get these ones, you can get them from the source or from Best Buy. I'll have the links down below in the description, and they'll run you $70 Canadian. It's a pretty good deal, most likely, because I've used Sony earbuds in the past and they've been pretty good, so I'm expecting good things from these. Shout out to my grandma, by the way, because she got these for Christmas and she's letting me test them out for this video, so shout out to her. And yeah, they come with Bluetooth 4.2 and NFC for Android pairing, and they're lightweight and they have approximately 8 hours of battery life depending on how loud you listen to them and how often. And yeah, so these are pretty cool, little decent earbuds. Let's unbox them. Alrighty, so I'm gonna unbox these now. I'm gonna switch over to my Canon T5i once again. If you saw my last video, and the previous ones, yeah, let's go. Here they are. Basic Sony presentation, white and blue. NFC, Bluetooth, HD calling, 8 hours battery life. That time, Android phones. We've got a remote with volume up and down, as well as skip through tracks and play pause and answer calls and trigger your voice assistant, so that's Google Assistant or Siri, depending on the phone that you're using. Yeah, let's check these out. Plastic. Unboxings are easy. That was nice. That open. Cardboard here. Nothing fancy. Themselves, plastic thing. We got connect USB cable there and some instructions. That's about it. Side. The other stuff first. Pretty nice setup guide. Cool, don't include that. That was nice. Got decent 5 USB cable, USB-A, headphones, got a couple more pairs of earbud tips in case the stock ones don't fit your ears. We got reference guide, that, warranty information, and garbage on the side, and then the earbuds themselves. Oh, this is pretty cool. So, yeah, so these are the earbuds. Nice blue. Definitely pretty plasticky build quality, but it was nice. There's big buttons, play pause, skipping over tracks, all that stuff. Labeled on the side there, cool. There's your NFC tag. Brand, model number, the C300. Sony branding there. Yeah, so I'm gonna pause the video, compare these to one of my phones, and test them out. Let's go. Alrighty, so we're gonna pair these up to my phone. I'm gonna switch over to the other camera once again to show you the pairing process. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so I'm in my settings app. Got the earphones. So typically you just press and hold to power them on, and then go into pairing mode. yeah, they pop right up. Yeah, WI C300. They actually popped up really fast. I'm really impressed with that. Quick pair. And a pair, just like that. That was really fast. I'm really impressed with how quickly these paired. Really awesome. So shout out to Sony for that. Nice quick pairing. And then we're up and running. And then so I'm gonna pull up some music and test them out, and I'll let you know what I think. Alrighty. So got the earphones on. One earphone out so I can still hear myself talk to you guys. But I'll put them both in when I test the earphones. So I'm going to test them with my usual headphone testing song, Forgot About Dre, by Dr. Dre with Eminem. Let's go. Alright, so I just tested them with Forgot About Dre. So I'm going to test one more song and go something a little newer, so probably better audio quality on this next song, which is Sickle Mode by Travis Scott. Right in there in my playlist. Let's go. And I've got them at almost full volume, as you can see, and they're pretty loud. Yeah. Alright, so they sound pretty good. I'm gonna pause the video and power these off, and then we'll get back and I'll tell you some of my first thoughts. Alrighty, so I tested them out with two songs, Sickle Mode and Forgot About Dre. Both pretty good songs for testing different things, bass, highs, mids, treble, all that good stuff. And they sound pretty good. I'm not blown away by the sound, because I've been pretty spoiled with my my more high-end Sonys, which are about twice the cost of these. But if you're not super crazy about like awesome audio quality, they sound pretty good. They're pretty clear, pretty loud. Controls are nice. The fact that they have NFC pairing is really good. If you have an Android phone, build quality is decent. Yeah, they're good enough. Get the job done and let you listen to music without any wires. Let's keep it moving. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back more soon. Peace.